Hi guys, welcome to an exciting episode of House Tour with Victoria Acres. I'm your host Amadi Gift, and on today's episode of House Tour, we'll be touring this beautiful limited structure here in Lekki Phase 1. On today's episode, we are here in a 4-bedroom maisonette located here in Lekki Phase 1. This is one of the most finest built structures I've seen in Lekki Phase 1, located in the primary residential area here. Welcome to the living area of this gorgeous home. This is an example of a very beautiful living area. You can see the furniture type that we have here. You could have a huge furniture, you could have small furniture. The living area is spacious enough to accommodate all of those elements. And over here we have this beautiful dining. One thing I love about this dining is the fact that you get a view from your balcony of your environment. You can literally be having lunch or breakfast with your family and you have an amazing view that comes with it. Let's look at some of the other elements that are contributing to make this home a very beautiful home. Let's take a look at what is inside this kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen of this beautiful home. This is the kitchen that you get with this 4-bedroom maisonette located here in Lekki Phase 1. This is an example of a fully functional and fitted kitchen. Over here we have the microwave, and underneath it we have the oven, and here we have a 5-gas burner with a unique heat extractor at the top. And we have a lot of cabinet space with different shelving inside of it. We have this beautiful cabinet and we all have them layered here. We have this double water sink with a water faucet on top, and right behind you we have this unique pantry that comes with this house. Now I'm going to be taking you upstairs so we can look at other features that come with this gorgeous home. Welcome to the beautiful owner suite of this gorgeous home. Right behind me we have a walk-in closet that comes with this owner suite, and we have this beautiful space that can fit in a king-size bed, and we have an additional space of this cozy area that is set up for you and your loved one. We have a balcony all around here. This is a full-edge balcony, and over here we have another area for your bathroom. Thank you for watching this exciting episode of House Tour Victoria Acres with me, your host, Amadi Gift. This listing is currently on the market, located in a safe, prim and proper location here in Lekki Phase 1. With an asking price of $240 million for a 4-bedroom maisonette of this size, you're definitely getting a deal of a lifetime. For more information, kindly send us a message via our social media platform or reach out via the number on your screen. We're looking forward to getting a call from you.